Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. Today is May 19th, 2020. I would like to go ahead and get started with our blended learning lesson for today. And we're just going to be doing math, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we will be doing our spiral review, completing problems of the day, and working on daily practice via Clever Math or Education Galaxy Math. All right, so your spiral review today will be 4 problems. All you will need to do is complete these 4 problems before you begin your actual lesson for today. So the first problem is, it says 10 times 6 tens. You just have to find the product to that answer. The second one says Crystal baked muffins. And my favorite are blueberry muffins, so I hope that's what Crystal baked. Each baking tray holds 6 muffins. She baked 4 trays of muffins. How many muffins did she make? The next one says 82 divided by 9. And your number 4, or your last one for this one, says which one is larger? 15 100ths or 15 100ths, 100, or 55 100ths. Which one is larger? All right, and here's just a quick little overview of your vocabulary. Remember yesterday we went over polygon, rectangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and saline triangle. We also covered acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle. And then you also went over what a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, a rhombus, and a trapezoid is. And then here I have the examples for you, what you can look at to make sure that you're understanding everything. So I'll pause it here so you can see that. And then, well, this is just focusing on your quadrilaterals. And then this one is focusing on your triangles, which we will focus on tomorrow. All right, so today I want for you to identify or classify the triangles. So you need to classify the square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram, or trapezoid, okay? So you look at numbers 1 through 9 and you'll tell me which one of those, with each shape, what it is. So is it a square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram, or trapezoid? So I'll pause it here so everyone can see. Okay, and here are some math videos for you. That way you can have a little refresher, or if there's any questions you may have, you can watch one of these math videos to gain better understanding. Alright, and then as always, I would like for you to show me your work. Remember to submit your answers to me via Class Dojo or text message. Either way works for me. And then, as always, I would like for you to do your practice on Clever, 45 minutes on your pathway, or if you want to do some practice on Education Galaxy, that is fine by me. Either way is fine, but make sure it's 45 minutes for the entire week, okay? All right. Remember that you can do this. You got this. You are smart. You are loved. You are missed. I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.